Next topic continuation, that is addition of water. Addition of water to alkenes means hydration of alkenes. That is next application is oxymercuration and demercuration. Oxymercuration and demercuration, it is a two steps reaction. First step is oxymercuration and second step is demercuration. So what are the reagents? It is very most important, student. Oxymercuration and demercuration. Now take the example, that is oxymercuration, demercuration. Reagents are, that is mercuric acetate. Mercuric acetate, that is CH3COO all taken 2 times Hg. This is called mercuric acetate. Number 1 mercuric acetate, and second one is water. Now third one is sodium borohydride. Sodium borohydride in the presence of OH minus. This sodium borohydride, it is used in the demercuration. It is used in demercuration, but mercuric acetate and water, these both are used in oxymercuration. It is very most important, student. Oxymercuration and demercuration. It is also addition of water. So simple addition of water means one H plus and one OH minus. Simple addition of water. So here in first step we have two steps reaction. First step is oxymercuration, second step is demercuration. In first step is oxymercuration, these two are participating. These two are mercuric acetate and water participating in oxymercuration, and sodium borohydride in the presence of basic medium OH minus, it is participating in demercuration. It is a two steps reaction, students. So now take the this oxymercuration and demercuration, it follow the Markovnikov rule. It follow the Markovnikov rule. It follow the Markovnikov rule. Markovnikov rule, that means addition of water. But here in this oxymercuration, demercuration, there is no formation of carbocation. There is no formation of carbocation. No carbocation. There is no carbocation is formed. No carbocation. In this oxymercuration, demercuration, there is no formation of carbocation, and in this oxymercuration and demercuration, there is no rearrangement. There is no rearrangement formation. No rearrangement. There is no rearrangement. So this is the very most important, student. According to the Markovnikov rule, carbocation is formed and rearrangement is possible. But here oxymercuration, demercuration follows the Markovnikov rule, but these two are not formed. It is very most important, students. There is no carbocation, there is no rearrangement, but simply it follow the Markovnikov rule only. But according to the Markovnikov rule, negative part of the substance will attacks carbon which contain less number of hydrogen, and positive species will attacks more number of positive species will attack carbon which contain more number of hydrogen. That is the Markovnikov rule, student. Now take this is the main important condition, student. Now take the example of oxymercuration, demercuration example. Take the 1 propene CH3 CH double bond CH2. What is that is oxymercuration, that is CH3COO taken 2 times, mercuric acetate first one, and second one is water, and third one is sodium borohydride. It is reducing agent in the presence of basic medium. We get that is product is, it follow the Markovnikov, that overall reaction, that is addition of water, that means H plus and OH minus. This OH minus will attack this position. OH minus will attack carbon which contain less number of hydrogen, means this CH3 CH OH will attack second position. OH minus will attack less number of hydrogen carbon, and hydrogen will attacks like this, more number of hydrogen carbon. This is the Markovnikov rule, student. So this is the oxymercuration and demercuration. It is also anti-addition reaction. So it is very most important, student. It is undergoes anti-addition reaction. Oxymercuration, demercuration is belongs to anti-addition reaction. Anti-addition reaction. This is the simple trick, student. Oxymercuration, demercuration. What are the reagent? That is mercuric acetate and water and sodium borohydride. But it is oxymercuration, demercuration. It is two steps reaction. First step is oxymercuration. What are the reagents used? That is mercuric acetate and water. And what about the demercuration reagent, that is sodium borohydride? What is the role of sodium borohydride? That is it is supply the only hydride. Sodium borohydride, it is supply only hydride H minus. This is a simple trick, student. Already we discussed in previous video, that is mechanism. CH3 CH1 propene react with one propane. This is one propane in the presence of mercuric acetate and water, sodium borohydride, to give a 2-propanol is formed. 2-propanol or 2-hydroxypropane. 2-propanol is formed. It is anti-addition reaction. This is a simple trick, student. So this is the main important point, student. That is, it follow the Markovnikov rules. Markovnikov rule means what? That is, negative part of the species will attack carbon which contain less number of hydrogen. Negative part of species means this OH minus. This OH minus will attack. This OH minus will attack this position, carbon which contain less number of hydrogen. H plus will attack carbon which contain more number of hydrogen. This is the Markovnikov rule, student. But here in this oxymercuration, demercuration, there is no formation of carbocation, no rearrangement. These two are absent. But in Markovnikov rule, carbocation is formed and rearrangement also possible. This is a simple trick, student. This is the oxymercuration and demercuration, student. Now next one is very most important topic, that is also addition of water, that is hydroboration. Next application, that is hydroboration oxidation. Hydroboration oxidation. It is also a very most important, student. Hydroboration and oxidation. It is also addition of water. Student. It is the syn addition. Oxymercuration, demercuration, that is anti-addition, but hydroboration oxidation, it is the syn addition reaction. So it is follow the, what are the conditions, student? What are the reagents, student? Here 3 reagents, student. That is, first, here also 2 steps are there. B2H6. What are the reagent? B2H6 in the presence of tetrahydrofuran. And second reagent is, that is H2O2 in the presence of base OH minus. It is also hydroboration oxidation, student. It is also addition of water to alkenes. So this hydroboration and oxidation, it follow the anti-Markovnikov rule. It is very most important point, student. It follow the anti-Markovnikov rule. And here also there is no formation of carbocation. There is no intermediate carbocation, no formation of carbocation, and here also no rearrangement. It is very most important point, students. Oxymercuration, demercuration, B2H6, it is also 2 steps reaction. The first step is B2H6 and tetrahydrofuran, and second step is H2O2 in the presence of OH minus. It follow the anti-Markovnikov rule. And one more thing, here there is no formation of carbocation, there is no rearrangement in this hydroboration and oxidation. So here, according to the anti-Markovnikov rule, we know condition, student. According to the anti-Markovnikov rule, negative part of the substance will attack carbon which contain more number of hydrogen. Negative part of the substance will attack carbon which contain more number of hydrogen, and positive species will attack carbon which contain less number of hydrogen. This is the anti-Markovnikov rule, student. It is the syn addition. The syn addition belongs to hydroboration and oxidation. It is the syn addition, and oxymercuration, demercuration is the anti-addition. It is very most important, student. Now take the example for anti-Markovnikov rule, hydroboration and oxidation example. Now take the example, same here also same thing, that is 1 propene, CH3, CH double bond, CH2 in the presence of B2H6 by tetrahydrofuran, first reagent, and second reagent is hydrogen peroxide in the presence of OH minus base, hydrogen peroxide OH minus. We get what is the final product, student? That is CH3, CH, AH, and CH2OH. These two hydrogen H plus and OH minus will attack same side, that is called syn addition. Syn addition means hydrogen and H plus and OH minus will attack same side, is called, it is syn addition. That is 1 propanol, this name is called 1 propanol, propanol 1, propanol 1 or 1 propanol. This is the final production, that is the hydroboration and oxidation. Hydroboration and oxidation, here two reagents are there, that is B2H6 and tetrahydrofuran, and second reagent is H2O2 by OH minus. So here it is also, it follow the anti-Markovnikov rule, but here there is no carbocation, there is no formation of carbocation, there is no rearrangement. These two are absent, no carbocation and no rearrangement is not possible in this hydroboration oxidation. So it is formed the anti-Markovnikov rule when the final product is propanol. So here H plus and OH minus will attack same side, so that's why it is called syn addition. Hydroboration oxidation undergoes syn addition reaction. This is the important hydration of alkene students, that is oxymercuration and demercuration. Oxymercuration, it follow the Markovnikov rule, but hydroboration oxidation, it follow the anti-Markovnikov rule. So here but these both oxymercuration and hydroboration, there is no formation of carbocation and there is no formation of rearrangement. It is very most important point, student. If you like my video, please like, share and comment. Thank you.